Good morning. It is February the 26th, a Monday morning. As we come in today, we see agricultural markets are across the board higher. We also have the energy market down, the dollar down, precious metals are both up. Stock markets all are up from overnight. As far as news goes, we have Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will testify before Congress today. They'll be looking at some of his projections for interest rates, and that will have an effect on our Treasury rates, and in turn will have an effect on the stock market and the commodity market. So we'll be looking at that closely. Let's take a look at the markets, and then we'll comment on last week's USDA crop outlook reports for grain and cotton. All right, first we have right now May cotton up 67 at 82.01, a high of 82.52, a low of 81.31. May soybeans at the moment are up 7 at 10.54, a high of 10.55, a low of 10.51. May corn up a penny and 3/4 at 3.76 1/4, a high of 3.76 3/4, a low of 3.74 3/4. May wheat up 6, trading now at 4.70 1/4 with a high of 4.71 and a low of 4.67 3/4. Crude oil up 5 cents a barrel in May at 63.46. The dollar down 14. Gold up $8 an ounce, and silver is up 15 cents an ounce. Looking at some of the news, still the dry weather in South America has for some weeks now been the focus of these markets. It continues to be the focus, and continued dry weather estimated, and latest yield projections, latest crop projections in South America are not good, or certainly have slipped quite a bit over the last month or so. Looking at last week's crop outlook report, first for cotton, they estimated 13.3 million acres. That's up 7% from last year, putting it up about 900,000 acres more. Of course, everyone's question is going to be the drought conditions we've seen this winter in West Texas. They can plant a lot of cotton, but you've got to be able to have the moisture. All right, on grains, the Outlook Conference projected pretty close to unchanged in acreage for corn and soybeans. They were about 90 million acres each, not too far different from previous year. All wheat acres up 465 million acres, and that is that's up to that level. That's an increase of 380 million acres from last year. Production for corn is estimated at 14.93 billion bushels. Beans projected at 4.32 billion bushels. On the calendar for today, we don't have a lot. We do have new home sales at 9 o'clock. And here's one for you fishermen out there. Trout production at 2 o'clock. Keep our eye on that. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.